Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Ajwani Wakad, which is located near Santosh Nagar, Wakad, Pune and developed by Ajwani Groups. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housing. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. With the help of 3D model, Ajwani Wakad will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 3 podium plus 24 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. Coming to the location part, project is just located near संतोष नगर, वाकड़, पुणे. एंड कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाएगी मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विद इन 850 मीटर्स, बुमकड़ चौक विद इन 1 किलोमीटर एंड ऑल्सो डी मार्ट विद इन 1.5 किलोमीटर. And now coming to the amenities part of the project, with the help of 3D model, project has 45 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, multipurpose court, kids play area, senior sit-out area, indoor games and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Ajwani Wakad has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 812 to 864 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 990 to 1177 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Ajwani Wakad, which is located near Santosh Nagar, Wakad, Pune and developed by Ajwani Group. और अगर आपने लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housing on www.housing.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.